In a quiet little town, there stood an old church with a bell that rang clear and loud. Every morning, the bell would wake the townsfolk with its beautiful sound. One day, the bell stopped ringing. The townsfolk were sad because they loved the sound of the old church bell. They wanted to fix it, but no one knew how. A little girl named Lucy heard about the broken bell and felt sad too. She loved the sound of the bell and wanted to help. So, she went to the church and asked the priest if she could try to fix it. The priest smiled and said, "I don't know if a little girl like you can fix the bell, but I'll let you try." Lucy was determined and went straight to the bell tower. She climbed up the tall, winding staircase and found the old bell. It was covered in dust and looked very old. Lucy cleaned the bell and tried to ring it, but it still wouldn't work. Lucy sat down and closed her eyes, thinking hard about what to do. Suddenly, she had an idea. She went to the town's library and asked the librarian for help. The librarian showed Lucy a book about church bells. Lucy read the book and learned that the old church bell needed a new clapper to ring again. Lucy thanked the librarian and went back to the church. She asked the priest for a new clapper and he gave her one. Lucy climbed up the bell tower again and carefully placed the new clapper inside the bell. She took a deep breath and gave the bell a good tug. The old church bell rang out loud and clear, making everyone in town happy. Lucy had fixed the old church bell. From that day on, the old church bell rang every morning, waking the townsfolk with its beautiful sound. Lucy was a hero in the town and everyone loved her for fixing the old church bell. And every time the bell rang, Lucy smiled, knowing that she had made a difference in her little town. The end.